Hey guys, and welcome to the latest edition of my monthly market wrap. It's hard to believe that already 6 months has passed and half the year has gone already this year. Just absolutely amazing. It's true what they say, the older you get, the quicker the time goes, and we've already seen this year just absolutely breeze through. So it's going to be exciting to see what happens for the next 6 months and towards the end of this year. But I thought being half the year already gone, so I thought I'll just summarise, I guess, and just give you guys a little bit of a snapshot what has happened in the first 6 months of 2016. So I'll go through each individual suburb, I guess, surrounding Dandenong, just to give you guys a little bit of an opportunity to get an idea of what has happened and what's been happening in terms of the median house price, but also the trends in the marketplace as well. Now, the figures that I'm going to be discussing are solely based on houses rather than units and apartments. So when I do discuss all of these areas, just keep in mind that the prices that I'm talking about are for freestanding individual houses rather than for the units and for the apartment style development. So to begin with, first of all, central Dandenong, we have seen in the first 6 months of this year a total of 64 properties that have been sold. The highest property sale, or the highest figure, being 1,709,000. An absolutely amazing corner block on McRae Street, which was about 1,200 square meters of land. That was the highest sale for the first 3 months. The lowest house which was sold was 370,000, so just a little bit of a smaller old rundown home. And the median house price for central Dandenong hit the $525,000 mark for the first 6 months of this year. So moving on to Dandenong North, so there was a little bit more homes that were sold in Dandenong North in terms of the houses. So we saw 101 homes in total sold for the first 6 months of the year. The highest sale price being $850,000, and also the lowest sale price being $390,000, with the median house price sitting at $520,000 for the first 6 months. So Dandenong North has just absolutely flourished again in the first 6 months. We've just seen continuous growth in this area, and I think, and I still predict, it is going to be definitely one of the next $1 million suburbs within this region anyway, just with regards to how it's been performing and growing over the last year and a half especially. So moving on to Endeavour Hills, another really well performing suburb, which saw 131 homes sold in the first half of the year. The highest home being, or the highest property sale being, hitting 1.7 million, which was an acre block on Kennington Park Drive. Absolutely amazing result there as well. The lowest property that was sold was for 400,000 in Endeavour Hills, so quite a big discrepancy there. But the actual the median house price for the area hit also $520,000. So quite consistent and quite actually similar to what's sort of happening in the Dandenong North area as well. Also huge growth, and also a suburb which I predict in the next couple of years will definitely hit that $1 million mark if it continues at this sort of path. Lastly, Noble Park, also a suburb that's just absolutely gone from strength to strength over the last 6 months. We saw a total of 84 homes, or 84 houses sell in the first 6 months. The highest sale price being 1.1 million, a development site in the area, which was just an awesome result as well there. The lowest selling price being $370,000, just quite a rundown old home, similar to what was the case in the central Dandenong part. And the median house price sitting actually quite larger than both central Dandenong and also Dandenong North. It's sitting at just over $577,000 for houses in the area. So absolutely huge growth once again in the Noble Park area, or central Noble Park area there over the last 6 months. So overall, guys, for the first 6 months of the year, we've just continually seen buyer activity. As much as people are saying that the market's going to do this or do that after the election, we just haven't seen any signs of that. Clearance rate for auctions over the first 6 months has been really strong as well throughout all these areas. So yeah, I just continue to see, I guess I'm forecasting that in the next 6 months we should just see pretty much steady growth as well. If anything, maybe a little bit of a stabilisation, but not too much to be concerned about. So if you are thinking of doing anything in the next couple of months, coming towards the end of this year, spring is not too far to start considering. Obviously we've only got July now and August, and we're we're already in springtime. So if you are thinking of selling, perfect time to be sort of planning now, getting everything organised. If you need any advice about preparing your home for sale, I'd love to come and have a chat to you. So feel free to give me a call. And also, once again, as always, if you have any questions about what's going on in the area, if you have any questions, just general questions, give me a call. Happy to have a chat to you guys. Till next time, till next month, have a lovely day. Thanks for tuning in again, and I'll see you guys soon.